Hello friends. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you step by step how to delete a repost on TikTok. Reposting can be useful for sharing interesting content with your followers, but sometimes you may want to remove a reposted video from your profile. In this guide, I'll show you a simple and quick way to do it. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to enter your TikTok profile. Now, choose the video you want to repost. I'll choose this video. All you need to do is to touch the share icon on the right side at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on the repost option and the TikTok video will be reposted on your profile. Now, to delete the video from your profile, we'll make the same steps. So, tap on the share button on the right side at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the remove repost option and the video will be deleted from your profile. If you've previously reposted some videos, I'll show you how to find and delete them. So, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the middle of the screen, find two small arrows and tap on them. Here you'll find all the videos you've reposted on your profile. Open the video you want to remove from your profile, then tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Now, tap on the remove repost option, and a notification will appear in the middle of the screen confirming that your repost has been deleted. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.